closes better?
Close it.
Is this how you close it right here?
Well, you got to snatch it. There you go.
All right. What's your name and what else in here real quick?
I'm Payton Johnson. I got 3 Skar VXF 15s on 1 Crescendo 6K, wired at .33.
You built this?
I did.
Wow. So you made it work in your buggy?
I did.
Buggy. Okay.
We call it the Beetle.
The Beetle. 4th order.
Oh yeah.
All right. Do you know the specs of the box, tuning-wise, cubic space?
It is tuned at 40 hertz and got like 5.3 cubes sealed, and it's like 12
cubes ported. Okay. So you're a little over 2 to 1, 2.5 to 1 almost. Mm-hmm. Okay. Awesome. All right. What'd you meter?
154.5 something in the
nice.
kick.
Congrats. Was that your goal? What's your goals out of it?
Ever since I got the 6K, 54 has been my
54? Goal. Okay, so you got that. Nice, man. Awesome. Pretty good. That's punchy. What was that, like 48 to 50 hertz? Woo. That felt good, man. Wow.
Yeah, 50 was in there.
Okay.
Here's 27.
Hey, bro, I walk up and I check my stand on stand. And my cash was looking truly true. I think I'm the one I started. Watch.
Wow, that's got good bandwidth, man.
I love it. From
awesome.
26 to 67.
Woo. That low note, that was really windy. Wow, appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah.
How does it do both doors open? Is it?
Last time I metered that, I had a Skar SK 4500.
Okay.
And it did a 50.4 seal.
50. Okay. Oh, that's good.
And I hope
still
maybe at least maybe a 51 now.
51. Yeah.
With the 6K.
Yep. Probably even more. You never know.
It'd be nice.
Yep. Okay.
Appreciate you coming.
Yes, sir. All right. Now, how do I get out?
That little silver hook right here.
Silver hook.
You got to pull it hard. Somebody let this celebrity out.
Yeah, you're gonna celebrity. Thanks. What was your name again?
Payton Johnson.
Payton. All right. Thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
My God, dude. Man, I'm impressed. You just totally impressed me.
All right. Yeah, that low note doesn't like with doors open, but with one closed, it's really good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now, there's a lot of little things I've noticed about it. Like if I want a hair trick, I got to load them up on that side. My windows, they quit working, so I can't roll
You can't even roll it down. Oh.
So I just went ahead and put a face on the door, and
that helps too, contain pressure. Yep.
My hair's hard to float.
Do you have a stock? What size alternator?
I got a 370 JS alternator.
Okay, can I see it?
Yeah.
I like to see everything.
Get to it. Took me a week to put it on.
Okay. And the amp too, I'll have to check that out. What was the name of the vehicle?
Beetle.
Beetle. Nice. All right, down here. That must have been a pain to get to, wasn't it?
Was it? Oh my God. Took me 6 hours to take the stock one off,
Wow.
and 4.5 to get that back on.
I believe it. Base broke everything in this thing, huh?
It didn't last long.
And the amp, how's the amp doing at 3.3?
Awesome. I ain't
No
been
issues.
in Protect yet.
Wow.
I got it last weekend. Got hooked. I ain't been in Protect yet.
Triple inputs. That's a beast of an amp right there.
That's what everybody tell me. They don't think it's a 6K.
I think it's rated at 12.6, so it's probably like almost a 7K at 14.4.
I know we're supposed to be going to scraping the coast,
Yep, in a couple weeks. That's too far for me.
and I'm getting 3 ZVX 15s.
You are? Okay. Wow. Awesome.
And I check my stand on stand. And my cash was looking truly true. I think I'm going outstanding. Watch.
Something wrong?
Yeah, when I was metering it, the radio just went out. It jumped around in there.
Check the fuse on this.
I guess I'm gonna pull over there.
Alright. 53.5. That was at like 44 hertz. I went up, it was 40 hertz.
43 again. So what? You can't do the one thing.
I don't know which one's gonna go. It's the radio over here.
So while you're metering, what, the alternator regulator or what went out?
I have no idea. It happened yesterday. The radio just like flickered and went flickered. It cut the bass off. And,
Pushed it back in there and it came back on. I think the
Yeah.
wire.
It might be the RCA's. Or is it the head unit itself?
with the head unit itself, it didn't come on.
Yeah, I don't know. I know they have pico fuses that could pop in the head units. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.